benta kasngi ke MDC jong ka Narpuh constituency ikong Dewi tongper ila Iakynduh yaki in charge jong ka Ratacherra Infiltration police checkpost na benta ban kentu yaki ha ka ban petngor ya ka jingwan rung ki bar jela ki badai ki illegal immigrants ki basha be na Assam ha ka eviction drive jong ka government of Assam. Ikong Dewi ila yok banyakren bat usakin in charge jong kani ka checkpost banya pheliu jingmut halor kumno banya trailang na binta banwan ra ya ka jingshong shngan ka jilla khamtam ba ka hakani ka than ka don ka national highway ka bapin yaso ya ka Assam bat Meghalaya. Nakalyang ikong tongper ila kentu jur yaki ba trei hang ni ban khmi bnya yaki kot kisla jong ki ba jala ki bawan bat deiru ban pin phai byang yaki bomdan kot dan sla ki ban sakhi ba ki dei ki nong shong shnong kari India. Nakalyang ka office kila yathu ba kila check link ba ki epic Aadhaar bat birth certificate na benta ki khulung ban pin shisha ba ki dei ki nong shong shnong kari India.
I'm new here. Yeah, I will call us in my known personally. So this is the thing is that we in Meghalaya, this cluster is there and 3 point from Assam. So as we have seen in the news that there is an eviction drive from Assam, no?
Yes.
That is what I'm concerned about because it falls under my area. So I just want to have a discussion with you, request to check it back nicely so that illegal immigrants will be able to enter inside Meghalaya. So that's why I came to just have a discussion with you.
Yes, because of that eviction, we have to be very tight in duties and all.
Yes,
So
tight duty. Yeah.
when
To check it back nicely so that illegal immigrants will be able to enter inside Meghalaya. So that's why I came to just have a discussion with you.
Yes, because of that.
That's
so
right.
the eviction in Assam.
Yes.
That only. So
Yeah.
they are trying to cross this.
Yes, and as we have seen in the news that this is like very serious because if there is an eviction from Assam, obviously they will come to Meghalaya, and this is the only way, only road
Only
to come.
Yeah.
So I'm thankful to Meghalaya government, even to your office also, especially that you are here to check it out. So we expect that
Yes.
you are doing your duty nicely. I heard that you are doing your duty. I heard from my friends that you are checking nicely, your office is checking it.
Yes.
But still then as a representative, it's my responsibility to come and have discussion.
By other card, we are not allowed to enter the only the epic.
Only
Because,
epic.
other card is not identified.
Oh yes.
Yes,
Other
we
card
can-
is very easy to get, not
Easy
to
to
coach.
get. Yeah, wherever you stay, you will get from there only.
Yes.
No use. So strictly we are taking only that as instruction by the higher authorities. So we are doing that without that epic card, we are not allowing to enter the state.
Yeah.
So how much we can do our
Yes,
duty?
sir. It's okay. Like we are trying to do the best for our state.
Yes,
So,
we will protect our
that's
state
it.
as much as we can.
Yes. Like if they got evicted from there, then Meghalaya should not be the dustbin for them.
Dustbin, yeah. That's
Because
what.
it will affect me, you, our children. Later, when they come, they will stay here. They will get this and that.
This
The
and that,
comments,
and
they will become.
later on they will demand to.
No, come. Yang begini. Dah, bantu ni itu.
I bomben documents ki main ki effect ki mulai dari ramuan
Oh, hanya itu nya. Enggak.
bomben ki effect ki barang rit
Oh, benar.
dari badan lang komunitas parents ki taking mulai itu ki bala apa 18 years ki bala yo effect thì còn phần đơn đặc cả một
Oh, pasti. Nah, kata teh gede, mau pihak dengan tiga, sudah bade di film. Tak ada ke ngawan ni nama rendu bayo, tuan mah itu sudah itu deh. Pihak long serius ni concern ni nama rendu gede gateway mah Meghalaya.
Now we have streaming tentang yang don 4 week staff teman-teman ada eviction test lain dalam USA giat
Kan dia ya.
ketahui bumbiang lebih cepat Islamnya.
Ngayos ni ba pia perform dia ni tambata rumah pembadi na ni area na suwan iban Iakynduh ban discuss ban ya aku beri iban dek dot hatam taga zanag ni magba ka ba ma ni yang ni ta kasni ke de kasni bangawan sidi infiltration tasra sagit no kay ba kadaw bangawan kalong ban Iakynduh ikinik officers sang ni daman taban discuss betki halor kini ka jingrung gini ki mender ke bang Iakynduh kolong ba don eviction drive ke Assam tenrei kadang kata ke concern nak lenjonga kum kalung senang bat kum nomit mak nang ni bat kini ki officer sang ni rut bepli ki ya lech kam hi ban check ban strict ya ka jingrung gini ki barla ni ka entry point jong Ratacherra cekir te kila tristom hi te ngarunga kermen hi ba kenam don menu kila ki barla ki bakam ko sla ban yo rum chami halia te nak kata kadau mentang sini aku beki betrihan ni tinga kermen skam ba kumbaki tristom kumta kenam yo are kita ki we padi ki barla ban yo rum sini as a representative te tangata concern jong ana marada kadon kajiyo jinyo rung lai dan jong kini ki barla ki ba sha be na den Assam kelong jingma ka bakrau kamtam gejela ni ke bamduan ke an ke baklan ma ba kum ka ILP ni kue ru kena kata kadau ke nya sawanang ni bang kermen skam ba ke ru kinya be yarenti so I'm thankful to the officers here and I hope that baki kam kinjam kinya be yarenti kita bersubun